Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to fix stuttering and FPS drop issue in Chain Together. First thing, you wanna head over to Chain Together and make sure that your graphics settings isn't too high, because if you're using a low-end PC and you're on max graphics, then obviously your PC won't be able to load that. Next up, if you have a GeForce graphics card or whatever graphics card, you want to head over to that website as you can see, and then go into drivers and make sure you are on the latest game driver. After that, you want to head over to device manager like so, and then over here you'll see display adapters. Let me full screen it. Double click. As you can see, this shows my graphics card. We right click, head over to properties, driver, and then update driver basically, and this should solve the issue. And if it still persists, you want to go to network, view network connections right over here, and then whatever you're using, Wi-Fi or Ethernet, whichever one it is, right click on that, head over to properties, and then you'll see internet protocol version 4. Double click on this one. This might be on for you, so you want to click on this one, use the following DNS, and then click on 8.8.8.8, and at the bottom you want to do 8.8.4.4. click on OK, and this should solve the problem honestly. And yeah, this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.